Hello, 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 everybody. So we are going to make our roasted vegetable soup, or that's what we're going to do with our leftover roasted vegetables. So now a smart person would probably do this in the blender or the food processor, but I'm going to use the boat motor. So we'll see how this goes. So here's our roasted vegetables, and the carrots are in there. They're down at the bottom. They're very ugly now. I'm going to get a little bit of butter. I tried to have everything ready. I've got 2 cups of chicken broth here. You can use bouillon, your canned chicken broth, turkey broth, whatever you have. Better than bouillon cubes. I'm just going to add like that much butter. Get it wet. Get that melted in there. Get some flavors going. Now we already have the onion, the roasted onion, the garlic, the sweetness from the carrots and the black pepper on the carrots. So I'm not going to add anything else right now. Okay, so now we are going to add the broth. I'm going to add that's about a cup. And I'm going to puree it up. So that's why I said a smart person would probably use their blender or food processor. Is that noise annoying you yet? I'm splattering myself something off. You want to make it nice and smooth, and do it in whatever contraption you want to. And then make it as thick as you want. Has plenty of seasoning. Going to thin it up a little bit, but not too much, because we're going to finish it off with either you can use milk, cream, your evaporated milk, your canned cream, whatever you have. And make it to the consistency that you want it. This is a soup, so you want it, you know, soupy. This has a lot of flavor from those vegetables having so much flavor. You could add thyme if you want to add some more garlic, onion powder, whatever you want. Taste it. That didn't really taste it. That's yummy. That chicken broth. I use this for my chicken broth so it has plenty of flavor. And once it's hot, turn it down to low and you'll finish it off with some cream. So I'll be back when we add some cream to it and then it'll be finished. That's a 5-minute meal. Okay, so I whizzed it up a little bit more so you wouldn't have to hear it, so it get smoother. I'm going to add a little more water. I just want to thin it out a little more. So I probably used 3.5 to 4 cups of liquid in this, and it's going to depend on how many vegetables you're using. So whatever you have left over, just add it to your desired consistency. And I'm going to add some milk. Just to give it that nice silky texture. And this is done. Like I said, to your desired consistency, probably use a blender unless you don't have one, your food processor, or if you have a boat motor. It's probably less disastrous though if you use one of the other gadgets. I'm just trying not to have 1,000 dishes to wash. Where'd my spoon go? See where we're at. With those peppered glazed carrots and then the veggies with the garlic and the onion and then the chicken broth, everything was already so well seasoned. I don't think this needs anything else. But like I said, you could add some dry thyme. But this is already pretty flavorful, so I don't want to overkill it. So there it is, guys. A nice, cheap, I mean, this really isn't costing anything other than what you already have in your pantry and your leftover veggies. 5 minutes and you've got dinner. So if you have any questions, let me know. Give me your tips for really fast leftover makeovers, especially with soups this time of year. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care.